Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Barely few hours after his death was made public by members of his church, no fewer than 5 million mourners have expressed their heartfelt messages on his Facebook page. These and many more was the reason why AIT crew went into town.
I'm alive today because of him. When I was sick, because of he delivered me, healed me, made me to be alive today.
TB Joshua's contribution to promoting tourism potentials in the country reverberated in faraway Zimbabwe when members of the parliament discussed the economic potentials of religious tourism, cited his case.
Ikotu Egbe formerly is just a local area that nobody comes in before. But if you look around, you see all the hotels surrounding this area. They came here because the people is coming from all over the world.
He came under attack, especially during the building collapse at the Cotton Church premises, which led to over 100 lives. Despite this setback, many still recount his extraordinary quality as a man of God and philanthropist, a rare gem in the Nigerian religious space.
The thing we are going to miss for about too much. Not be only one thing. I miss am for my market here first. For food, money, everything, security here. I'm a widow. December, this man go carry rice. Carry don't give us money. As he go now, who is going to help us as citizen of Nigeria?
Mourners from all walks of life trooped to the Cotton Church in their numbers. With the flag flying at half-mast, was all that greeted the early callers that what they might have heard was indeed true.
But we believe if something like that happened to TB Joshua, he was called by God Almighty.
TB Joshua Temitope is my close friend. We start from long period. But I surprised today when I hear that TB Joshua is dead.
TB Joshua tried for me too much. He healed me poison of 5 times.
For others, Pastor TB Joshua, as fondly called, is a superhuman being who cannot just die like that.
I never believe. I will not believe. I will not believe.
I was thinking it's fake news. That is the reason I got here.
The popular pastor whose teachings, prophecy, and healing miracles have endeared him to millions of people all over the world held his last function Saturday, few days to his 58th birthday.
As things stand, you may have realized it will not be easy for me to celebrate my birthday.
The burial arrangement of TB Joshua will soon be announced after consultations with his immediate family. He was survived by a wife and 2 children. Obi Onume.